Hello, everyone, and welcome back for the computer session once again. So, last time already we started to learn lesson number 7, and that is about MS Excel working with data. And already we have learned few points. So, altogether, the points what we are going to cover through these lessons are cell referencing, data sorting, filtering data, formatting table using table style, conditional formatting on data, additional subtotal in database, analyzing data with pivot table, and using if logical functions. So altogether, the 8 points we are going to cover up through this lesson. And already we have learned two different sessions for this. So previous session, we have covered up the point cell referencing, data sorting, filtering data, and formatting table using table style. This concept already we have learned. Today, we are going to learn the practicals of conditional formatting on data, which is very easy, but again important. Next, we will learn adding subtotal in database, then analyzing data with pivot table. What is pivot table? This is a new concept for you all. So please pay attention. Then only you will understand what is pivot table. And the last, using if logical function. This function is also very important. So you need your attention. Once you will understand, you can do different if condition. Depend on that, you can get the desired result. And we are going to learn by one great example. So let's begin with conditional formatting on data. So let's move to the Excel screen. There we will learn about conditional formatting. So here I'm at the Excel screen. What we have learned in the previous session. So that small recap for you all. Look at here. We have learned cell referencing. There are three types of cell referencing: relative cell referencing, absolute cell referencing, and mixed cell referencing. So this we have done the practical in the first session. Also, we have learned in the second session data arrangement, like arranging data, sorting data in the ascending order, descending order, that we have learned. That is the practical screen you can see here. Also, we have learned filter. If you want to see a particular data, only suppose I want to see the student those who score 50 mark, click OK. So we can filter the data such way. This we have covered up in the previous session. Also, we have learned the table designs. These are the design applied to the data. See, table designs. So these also we have learned in the previous session. I hope so you remember. Now it's time to learn next practical. As I said that we are going to learn conditional formatting. Okay, depend on a particular condition. So here I'm going to enter the values, like few values I'll enter. Let me increase the size of the cell so easily you can see the data. Okay, so here I'm going to enter 11, then 16, then 85, then 82, then 90, 95. Then next number 60. If you will observe that I am entering the data into the particular order, like few numbers from 11 to 20, like this is between 11 to 20, this is 80 to 90, this is 90 to 100, right? So you will see the data filtering, how it appears. Okay, now I am going to select, and then we have to click on home tab. Okay, first we need to enter the data. I have entered the data, then I have selected this one, and then we have to click on home tab. The home tab, you have to see the style group. See, this is the style group. From this we have to select conditional form, And here we have different options for style. So I want this. So if we'll see the range, like 11 to 20 is appearing with the red color, fine. 80, 80 to 90 is appearing with yellow color. So a particular range is given. For example, if I'll change here 17, so automatically the color is changing. If I'll enter here 13, so the range of the cell automatically getting color change. So we can understand by this is the range of this shade or this color. So let me delete, enter here 91. So automatically color shades are getting changed. So this is called conditional formatting. Based on a particular data, it getting automatically conditions change and color also getting change. Also, you can use some more option with this. Select this, go to home, click on conditional formatting. If you want to see the graph, you just select which one you want. For example, this one. So as much it is progress, that will show you the graph. 11%, then this is graph bar. So such way also you can do the conditional formatting. Okay. Some more options you have there. You just try. When you will do the practical, you can try each and every one. This one we have selected now. Some icons also it will display. Okay. Now you can click on this. Okay. First we have to select. Then we have to go to conditional formatting, and then we have to do the options like this. Now, if we will check, this one is above 90, so upside arrow. This is below the 90, that's why down arrow, less than or more than. So it has taken the 90s scale automatically, and it is showing us the downward arrow. It is less than 90, and this is 90 and above. I hope so you understood this formatting. Just what we have to do, we have to type the data, we have to select the data, and then we have to apply the conditional formatting. Let's have once again the small demonstration: 25, 26, 27, 33, 34, 36. Then we will enter 45, 42, 46. Okay, we have entered, select it, go to home, then go to style group in that conditional formatting, and then select which you want. Got it? So automatically color will apply. Suppose we want another option, select it. Okay, graph one, go to home tab, style group, conditional formatting, and this graph one, which one you want. If we will change the value, automatically graph also will get changed. For example, I will enter 90. See, the graph is getting changed. So this way we can create using conditional formatting. I hope so you understood. Please practice these things at your systems. Then only it would be more clear for you all. Let's now move to the next point. And the next point is adding subtotal in database. Now, for example, many times we wanted to do subtotal, so we can do with the help of subtotal. So let's check by one example. Here I'm going to enter few things, and that we will do subtotal. For example, the collection, okay, fees collection. Huh? So fees collection of January month, then uh, then Feb, Feb, then March. These are I'm entering the months. Okay. So you can understand easily how to do subtotal. Now I'm entering the collection detail. Okay. These are the month. Okay. Let me do here down, and let me give it title month. Okay. And here we can write collection. This is the collection. Okay. So these two things we are going to mold. Now let's enter the collection January month, like 25,000 one time, again 20,000, then 6,000. Okay, this is January one. February month we have collected 40,000, then 5,000. Okay, March month 7,000, 7,000, 7,000, like three times. So this is our collection. Okay, so we will do the total of this. What is the collection total? That subtotal we have to do. So let's do it. So our data is ready. Now we are going to enter the additional subtotal option. Now what it will do? It will do the total of January month separate, February month separate, and March month separate. Okay. So let's do the first collection. Total collection. Already we have learned sum function, or we can do total with the auto sum also. So the total of these all 3 month collection is 1,11,600. Okay. So here I'm going to do undo. I remove the total. Now for subtotal, what we need to do? We need to do selection. So dear students, keep it in your mind. Please remember always first step is very important. That is to be selected the data. Now I have selected the data. Then I need to go to data tab. This is home insert, like this data tab. We have to click data tab. In data tab, you have to look at the end of the ribbon. Here it is given subtotal. Okay, just click on it. This is outline group. In outline group, there is option subtotal. Click on the subtotal. So we want to do this month wise. That's why we need to select here month. Okay. Then what we need, we want to use the total. That's why sum function, and it depends on the collection. Okay. So it will function on the collection. Means what it will do? Month total it will do. Okay. So with the help of sum, and it will show in the collection column. Okay. Just click OK. Now you can see here it shows us the total of each month. Now from this range to this range, it is a total of January total. So it is showing Jan total is 45,000 collection, Feb total is 45,000, and the March month collection is 21,000. Altogether 11, 1,11,600. So here we can see easily without doing the much hard work, easily we can identify, okay, January month. So here is a total of January 45,000. Okay. So this is very advantageous option of Microsoft Excel. Once again, that is called adding a subtotal in database. This is subtotal option. So what we have done till now, let me do the undo. First, we have to type the data, we have to select the data, then we have to go to data tab. In that, we have to just click on subtotal. Select a month. Already it would be selected for you everything easily. Just click on OK. So here we finish our work. Okay. Also, we can do in this one more thing. We can apply the fees is collected for what, school fees, bus fee. We can increase the one column, and according to that also we can do the subtotal. Okay. So I hope so this you understood the practical demonstration. Once again, I would like to suggest you that you please practice. Okay. So today we have learned two topics. The first one is we have practiced data filtering. Okay. And with that conditional formatting. So this is a conditional formatting. And just now we have learned subtotal option. Now we are going to learn the next topic, that is pure table. For this practical also we need a data. So here we will enter the data. students data, and then we will do the practical. Actually, pivot table helps to make data more manageable by summarizing. Okay, we can easily summarize the data. So here I'm going to enter for that roll number, then name of the student, then what student has scored in English, the marks we will enter here, then maths, then science, then history, geography, or Marathi, Hindi. So these details we have to fill it now. Okay, so I'm going to increase little zoom, and this we will make it little bold. And now enter the roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 students. Just now I'm taking example of name like A, B, C, D, E. Okay, English mark of A, B, this marks of English subject, then maths, science. So such way I'm entering the marks for all the students. So you can enter any marks. There is no problem about this. Then Hindi marks. Okay. So we have enter here. Now how to do pure table. Okay. For this, the first and important thing is we need to select table. Right? We have selected the table, and then now the next step, then click on insert tab. First we need to select the data, then click on insert tab and click on pure table, the first option. It will show you the options. All the options are selected already. The range of cell we have selected here, it shows the new worksheet. Okay, no problem, we'll go for it. Okay, so what data pure table is summary is here. Okay, and right side you can see the pure table pen. So what we wanted to see from this roll number, so total of roll number 10. See, they, these two tick we have done, so that is sorted already, and that much data is summarized. Then we can, I want to see English, name, roll number, and English marks. So here it is displayed. I want to see science. So science, name, roll number, and science. Got it? I hope so. It's clear for you. So such way we can summarize the data very easily. If you will remove all that summarized, okay, and we can tick like only I want to see March total, Marathi total, maths total. So it is showing the total, but I want roll number and name also, so it will add. Clear? So very simple. First we need to type the data. We have to select the data. Then we have to go to insert tab. Then we have to select pure table. Pure table box will appear. Which condition you want to check? What data you want to see? Summarize. That you can do with the help of data with pure tables. The pure table option. I hope so you understood. So till now we have covered up 2 3 points. The first one is conditional formatting. Second is total, subtotal, and now just now we have learned pure table. I hope so you all understood these points. And the next point is if function. This is very interesting function, and with this you can get the desired result. For example, now here we have the students like, and I want to see, okay, grades. I want to calculate the grade based on their total. So here we do the first total of these. Okay, we'll click on home. Let me do subtotal of this. With the auto sum, I'm doing the total. I have selected this range of cell and I clicked on auto sums. Automatically it is showing the total. Now I will drag it down and it will show total for all. Okay. So for example, okay, instead of this, we will take another example, roll number, and we'll do computers with practical. Okay, practical marks, oral marks, and written marks. Okay, so these are the things. So here we are going to do the total of. So let me delete this, delete and delete. Okay, and here we are going to enter practical is out of 60. So let me do here. He scored 60, he scored 50, he scored 40, he scored again 50, again 60. Okay, overall mark says out of 20. So the A student scored 20, he scored 18, scored 16, 12, 13. Written marks also is out of 20, so scored 20, 10, then 15, then again 5 only, and then 10. So now you can see the total of this. So if you are scoring 100 marks, you are getting A1 grade, right? If you are scoring 91 to 100, if you are scoring 81 to 90, then A2. Like that grades are there, right? So that grade I'm going to make a formula of that. So let me take a range again here, something we want about 90, right? So let me add some more marks here. 18 marks. A55. So now this is between 81 to 90, right? Then this is 71 to 90. Then this is 60s range and this is again 80s range. So let's check the grades whether it is showing proper or not. So first we have to write if, okay, is equal to if condition. If condition means what we wanted to show it. If what is the total cell? This is the cell name is okay F2. So here we have to write is equal to if okay F2 is equal to F2. The total is given in the F2 cell. If into bracket we have to write F2, okay, F2 is greater than 90, okay, then it should show us A grade. What it should show? A1. Huh? It should show A1. Fine. Then if it is not 90, then again it has to check if. Okay, it has to check if, and then we have to write there again bracket. Again we have to write F2. It will check. Okay, then F2 should be greater than 80. Then it will show us grade A2. Got it? Then again the next condition it will check. We have to put comma again. Okay, you have to see, you have to observe it very keen observation you should have, otherwise you may make mistake. So here I have to go again one more condition. If okay into the bracket F2 is greater than 70, then it should show us it is B1. Now you are getting the B1 grade. Fine. Now let us close these brackets. We have opened three brackets, so three times we have to close. Fine. And now let's check the result. Here I'm going to press the enter and let's check. So now it is showing A grade because it is more than 90. So let me make it this all complete. Now it is showing 81 A2, 71 B1, 83 A2. Now see 81 and 83 it is showing A2 A2. Proper grades it's showing. But here it is showing false because it don't know what to do about the 61, this range. We did not notify. That's why it is showing us false. Means the condition is not meet it. Only we have given the condition of 90 marks, 80 marks, and 70. 90 more, more than 90, more than 80, more than 70. So what to do with the more than 67? There is no condition at all. That's why it is showing false. So such way we can calculate the grade with the help of if condition. We can do many things with the if condition. When you want to do two different decision based on a particular condition, that time you can use if condition. If students score 35, then pass, otherwise fail. So such way also it will show us the result. I hope so you understood the topic. And let's have a small recap. The points we have covered today: conditional formatting on data, additional subtotal in database, analyzing data with pivot table using if logical functions. So dear students, practice it properly and learn it well. This video I'll share with you all on YouTube channel.